Merthyr Valleys Homes, a registered social landlord, wanted to celebrate their history of the town and pass on memories from generation to generation. Through Literature Wales, it worked with writer Mike Church on creating and collecting reminiscence poetry, which culminated in a book and CD, now available in residential homes and libraries in the area.
It was a real joy to work with older people. We had such a laugh, and I learned so much.
The judges were impressed by the way this partnership engaged Merthyr residents and effectively promotes community cohesion. This spring, the initial project was extended to explore intergenerational creative workshops.